Look into the microscope, I see Golgi apparatus.
The Golgi apparatus is an organelle that receives, modifies, and then exports both proteins and lipids for use elsewhere, sometimes within the cell, sometimes outside of the cell. Here, you can see transport vesicles leaving the Golgi apparatus and secreting their contents outside the cell. This process of secreting large amounts of material through holes in the phospholipid bilayer is called exocytosis. Here's a SEM image of the Golgi apparatus. You can see the Golgi apparatus down here, this area, these long lines that almost look like a smiley face. And you can also see transport vesicles, these circles right here, that are budding off from the Golgi apparatus and are transporting materials throughout the cell. The transport vesicles, as well as the Golgi apparatus, are enclosed by phospholipid bilayers, just like all the other organelles. The Golgi apparatus receives newly made proteins and lipids from the endoplasmic reticulum, modifies them further, and prepares them for transport. Here we see an incoming transport vesicle, which then travels through the Golgi apparatus, or the contents travel through the Golgi apparatus. And then after the contents have been modified, we see the outgoing transport vesicles. The Golgi apparatus can be compared to a magical post office that opens and changes the contents of the packages you're trying to send to others. It receives proteins and lipids from the endoplasmic reticulum, modifies them, and then sends them off again to their final destination. The transport vesicles enter one side of the Golgi and then dissolve, releasing their contents into the cisternae, which is the area within the phospholipid bilayers. The newly modified proteins or lipids are enclosed in new membrane-bound vesicles that leave the Golgi apparatus, heading to other parts inside or outside of the cell. The Golgi apparatus is usually bigger and found in larger numbers in cells that secrete lots of substances. An example would be immune cells in your blood that secrete antibodies, which are proteins that label foreign substances for destruction. An average human cell has approximately 40 to 100 Golgi bodies.